Yes, coming to the point here, now I stop it, then I will start it again. Then we wait for my turn because I want to restart it so that you could get the good. Yes, yeah, it is not responding. Okay, no matter. And I will see that. Yeah, this is the second one. It is going on. Okay, now you can on it. Those yes, Nanduri Ashok Babu. I saw you on the screen. Please keep your because your only head would be seen over there. Nanduri Ashok Babu, you are very close. Now it is okay. Now it is okay. Now you can speak. Now you can speak. Your voice is not audible. ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడండి. మీరు ఫోటో కనబడుతోంది. మాట్లాడండి ఇప్పుడు. I don't know whether others could
He is on mute, sir.
Yeah, వినబడుతుంది మాట్లాడండి. వెనకాల సీనరీ ఏమో వస్తున్నాయి మళ్ళీ. ప్లీజ్ దైద యాకూబు క్లోజ్ యువర్. యా, ఐ విల్ గివ్ ద ఛాన్స్ టు యూ ఆల్సో. Yes, Nanduri Ashok Babu, Daida Yakubu, I will give the chance because he will say, do you want to speak now, Daida Yakubu? Because your scenery is very good, but your face is not visible to us. If you want to speak, you can keep the microphone on and you can speak it. Yes, any person wants to speak?
Many are keeping their phones on mute.
You can state. Meanwhile, other people maybe. That's how you can speak now. You keep your Others will close it.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Please speak, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, sir. Please speak, sir.
Okay. I am able to, sir. Good morning, sir. Regarding this ICJ, sir.
Yes.
Actually, it is very important for the country. I mean, world. Prior to this formation of ICJ, almost it has final shape has come in 2002. Later, there is changes in 2009 and 10. But there is security for everybody, every country now. Otherwise, a country what commits the nation in the other country, they are not able to take properly action about the person, and sometimes they take their own decisions. So due to this, there is much, horrible facing. I mean, country to country, there is enmity is occurring. So to solve the problems, whatever the country in the different countries, to solve it, the International Court of Justice is started. So this is the, a forum, judges court which can decide. The country, the other countries should follow. They are the important parcel of the time they are the Security Council, they are all the members, and they should follow.
Yes, sir. Continue it, sir.
So otherwise, the country sometimes, and otherwise in the country, military spying will be there, and other people in the country to country aggressive step. Extension of the country by overlapping other people. Such things should go into the court of justice. The judges can decide which is the wrong, which country is going on. So they will pass the order, the particular intentional country to come out for that. They should not act their own way. So the same thing, collaboration. Jadhav, who is in Pakistan, spying. Because there it was already decided court to exile him. Hang him. But when the court, India went to the question of judges, they have given they should not be hanged, but inquire about the and you decide. So everything, the country Pakistan is also followed the same way. Otherwise, Jadhav this time would have hanged. So in question of judges, it has helped that court justice living. So that is the way of how country where criminal international occurred, the international IC will solve the problems. So that is there. It is very essential in the point of view of the world interest, world safety. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Doctor sir, for your. I don't know whether Nandur Ashok Babu is very much trying, and I don't know whether why he is not succeeding over there. And then in the same way, Dada Yakubi also trying over there. It was Dada Yakubu, if you want to speak, you can be on the camera as well as your microphone on, then you can speak so that your face could be visible and your voice would be audible to us.
Many are failing to make their voice heard, sir,
Yes,
because
Martin
they're keeping
Nageshwaranu, did
their
you speak?
phones on mute.
Yes, Martin Nageshwara, do you want to speak?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, please on your. Yes, I saw your camera. Yes, you can on it and you can speak. Yeah, please speak.
Yes, sir. Good morning to all and welcome to the webinar conducted by the student staff and management of MCL, Maner College of Law. Actually, today is the World Day for International Justice. It is celebrated every year on this day, July, that is July 17th, as it is the anniversary of adopting a Roman statute. And it is a treaty that was created in the International Court of Justice. And that International Criminal Court is the only court where uh, the prosecution of individuals is against major criminal crimes happens. And this day also reminds us the importance of pursuing justice, being accountable for the mass atrocities, legal obligations, and moral necessity. It is also reflects the victims of genocide, crimes against the humanity, and war crimes. So everyone on this day must make an effort to create a more justice and peace around the world. And here I am also going to say a few words about this day. So injustice is the main largest threat in the society. So that's why, so all of us, let us join the hands to eradicate the injustice from the world. Again, on this day, once again, I thanks to our principals are giving for this opportunity, and happy International Day for Justice. Thank you, one and all.
Yes, Martin Nageshwara has expressed his views regarding that one, and we are be identified by the college, that is the Manar College of Law. Then we'll be very much thankful to our secretary sir, Yunus Sultan sir, because of him that we will be recognized by this college, and hence we are participating over there, and the students also participating over there. So management side, that on behalf of the management also, I would like to be thankful to our secretary sir, Yunus Sultan sir, those for this college running. Yes, now I call upon the another person, those who wants to speak. Yes, keep your camera on and your microphone on, then you can speak. Yes,
Hello,
Ajay,
hello.
because I saw Ajay and
Hello.
Shiva here, and I also saw Dhanalakshmi, Pulakanda also present over there. But anyone, you can on your camera and you can speak.
Hello, hello.
Yes, yes, speak.
Hello,
Shiva.
sir. Good evening to everyone, and happy International Criminal Justice Day to everyone. On this day, all of the people who interested about the justice and to know about the rights of the victims, all people will be united this day, and they have to know much about the crime and justice which is happening over the world, and they have to know very much about thing. And on this day, it will be telecasting on the television and publishing on the newspapers about this Criminal Justice Day, and many people want to know what will the punishment which was given to the criminals, and to be aware of those crimes. And many people are knowing about this day. So people are these Criminal Justice Day want to threaten the people who wants to do crime against the world. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Shiva, that very nice that you came on it and you got the opportunity between the two people, those who are trying to speak also. But any other person that would like to speak over there, Dada Yakubi, I told him that you should be on your camera as well as your microphone. Then only that you could be seen and you could be heard. Yes. Dada Yakubi failed. Ajay, that you want to speak over there, please on your camera and come on the online. Yes. Surya Narayana Arepu sir.
Sir, very good morning, sir.
Yes, and your turn is over or you want to speak?
Okay, sir. Good morning. Very good morning.
Yes, please continue.
Good morning to all. Sir, very good morning to all. I feel proud as advocate for doing celebrate this day as World Day for International Justice is observed on July 17th in every year, sir. This day is also known as International Criminal Justice Day, and this day is observed to give recognition to the emerging system of international criminal justice. International Justice Day is also celebrated to recognize the work of the International Court of Justice. So, at the same time, the the day additionally goes to the advertised worldwide legal justice. It is additionally is well known as to recognize the work International Court Docket of Justice. And right, right here is all. It is best to know the regards to the historical past, meaning and the significance of the World Day for International Justice. And uh, a few lines. International Justice Day. What is the meaning of International Justice Day? At the present time, as well known internationally, because it unless everybody who desires to assist justice and promote the victim rights at the at the present time can also be noticed by every day how helps to stop severe crimes and additionally celebrates the individuals who put criminals behind the bars and assistant carry peace safely and properly being it is the meaning of the International Justice Day behind the theme. And what is the historical past of International Justice Day? A few lines. International Justice Day celebrated on today because it commemorates the historic adoption of the Rome Statute within within the year 1998. On today, a brand new treaty was signed, which helps establish the International Felony Court docket. Uh, since since then, this court docket has been serving to carry justice to victims all welfare uh, crimes towards humanity and xenophobe. And the evaluation convention of the Rome Statute was held on the metropolis of Kampala, Uganda on June 1st, 2010. And throughout this convention, all of the nations concerned determined to have one-time International Felony Justice Day on July 17th. At the present time was initiated to reveal the virtual functional to civil society and members of performs in our life. And International Justice Day significance. What is the significance of International Justice Day? It is two lines in brief.
Be brief. Yeah.
World Day, yes, World Day International Justice was established after the statute was adopted and led to the formation of ICC. The formation of ICC.
అడ్మిట్ అయ్యి ఇచ్చారనుకోండి
Ra-
మాట్లాడినా మాట్లాడకపోయినా ఏం చెప్పినా
నామరపు శ్రీనివాస్ శర్మ గారు మైక్రోఫోన్ ఆఫ్ చేయండి.
Sir, the excuse me. The formation of ICC was considered as a revolutionary advance for the peace and regulation. Over 150 nations become a member of this treaty, and over 123 states get the advantage of this new treaty. The ICC additionally, the ICC additionally,
Be brief. Be brief. సూర్యనారాయణ ఆరేపు.
Sir, you can mute him, sir. Surya Narayana Arepu. You have the power to mute him.
ఆరేపు. Be brief. Be brief.
yes, sir.
Wind out.
Yes,
Wind out. Yes. Another person that would like to speak. Wind out ఆరేపు. Wind out.
Sir, right. Thank you very much.
Okay. Be brief because everybody should have to get the chance. If another person that would like to speak, please open your video and microphone. Arepu, now close your video.
Sir, please mute Srinivas, sir. You have the power to mute him.
Yes. Anybody can make it because Dhanalakshmi is kept it. Pulla Dhanalakshmi, you are kept your video on and thing. You would like to speak, then you make it out. Immediately come.
Sir, before that, please mute Srinivas Sharma, sir. Nobody is able to hear what the speakers are saying.
Yeah. I'm coming to the alphabetical order. See where that because I told him also mute it, but it is not dragging it. Yes, any person now you can speak it. Yes, come on that line, then you can speak because it could not come over there. Yeah, this way. Yes, Suryanarap. Yes, speak. Anyone can come, open it and then speak.
Hello, sir. This
Yes,
is Jayalakshmi.
please speak, Jayalakshmi madam. Welcome.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone, and I thanks for giving this opportunity to speak on International Justice Day. I would like to start with a quote on this. That is like, overcoming poverty is not a gesture of charity; it is an act of justice. This is a quote given by Nelson Mandela. So, as everybody have given a brief introduction and description about World Day for International Justice, I also would give you a brief description. It is also referred to as Day of International Criminal Justice or International Day. It is an international day celebrated throughout the world on 17th July as part of an effort to recognize the emerging system of international criminal justice. It is the day of adoption of the treaty that created the International Criminal Court on 6 June 2010 at the review of conference of the Rome Statute held in Kampala, Uganda. The Assembly of State Parties decided to celebrate 17th July as Day of International Criminal Justice. Every year, people around the world use this day to host events to promote international criminal justice, especially support for the International Criminal Court.
Yes, continue.
Yes, sir. The International Criminal Court investigates and, where warranted, tries individuals charged with the gravest crimes of concern to the international community: genocide, war crimes, crimes against humanity, and the crime of aggression. The court is participating in a global fight to end impunity, and through international criminal justice, the court aims to hold those responsible accountable for their crimes and to help prevent these crimes from being happening. The court cannot reach these goals alone. As a court of last resort, it seeks to complement, not replace, national courts governed by an international treaty called the Rome Statute. The ICC is the world's first permanent international criminal court. The main aim of International Justice Day is to unite everyone who wants to support justice as well as promote victims' rights. It is to prevent serious crimes and those that put the peace, security, and well-being of the world at risk. So this is all about I could say, and I would end my speech by giving one more quote for the day. That is, justice is doing for others what we would want to do for ourselves. That is given by Carrie Haupen, International Justice. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, madam. Because the here the sign is there, the meeting will end for the all participants in 5 minutes because the free time is given by the web Cisco from the 1st July is only 50 minutes. Then the meeting will be off now. Then again restart it. Then another 50 minutes we will get it. Then the other participants will participate in it. So now I will close down.
Sir, I have, yes, sir. Before closing, I have a few words to say regarding this day, sir.
Yes, but definitely because definitely it will be
Yeah,
closed. Before closing, you can
yeah,
continue it. Yes, you can
yeah,
continue it till
sir.
it close.
Yeah. So
Continue.
first, when we got the message in WhatsApp to give a speech on the International Criminal Justice Day, I had a look at it, and then being an Indian and being a person who has highest regard for Indian judicial system, I could not gather myself to eulogize such a day and then uh, uh, go and then give a good speech about this day, because what this is doing is this is undermining the Indian judicial system. And if you see it, India is not a part of this in international criminal court, and there's a good reason why. One thing is what this is doing is it is undermining the sovereignty of the countries, whichever all the countries that are signing this treaty. And one of the reasons why India is not a part of it is, uh, basically we need to understand what is the difference between International Criminal Court and ICJ. Everybody here thinks that this International Criminal Court is for the war crimes or the crimes against or uh, and regarding international crimes, but we have international ICJ for that. This is something different. And